Opening shots of the 2025 Liebherr LTM 1750-9.1 in action, with smooth camera angles showcasing its ultra-shiny white finish, massive structure, and advanced control system. The 2025 Liebherr LTM 1750-9.1 is a game-changer in the world of mobile cranes. Designed for maximum lifting capacity, flexibility, and efficiency, this machine is built to handle the most demanding jobs with ease. Powered by a high-performance engine, it delivers exceptional power and fuel efficiency, ensuring smooth operation on and off the road. Its 9-axle configuration provides superior stability, making even the heaviest lifts look effortless. Moving inside the operator's cabin, Liebherr has integrated next-level comfort and control. The high-resolution touchscreen display, ergonomic seating, and intuitive joystick controls allow for precise handling and real-time monitoring. The LICCON control system enhances safety and performance, ensuring every lift is executed with pinpoint accuracy. The adjustable boom system allows for extensive reach, making it ideal for a variety of lifting operations, from industrial projects to wind turbine installations. On the exterior, its sleek reinforced frame, LED lighting, and aerodynamic design not only enhance durability, but also give it a modern and premium look. With its cutting-edge hydraulic system, the LTM 1750-9.1 offers smooth, controlled lifting operations even in tight spaces. This crane sets new standards in the industry, blending power, technology, and precision seamlessly. What do you think of the 2025 Liebherr LTM 1750-9.1? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more heavy equipment reviews. See you in the next one.